Fiem Industries Ltd, an automotive lighting manufacturer for OEMs, with a market cap of 3,033 crore rupees, and currently trading at 2,305 rupees per share. The company has a 10% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 23% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company was incorporated in the year 1989. They are based in New Delhi, with more than 1,100 employees, and 6,400 workers. They have 9 manufacturing plants in India, and 3 research and development centers in India, Italy, and Japan. They got listed on NSE and BSE in 2006. Apart from automotive lighting, the other business segments of the company are plastic parts, rear-view mirrors, signaling equipments, and LED luminaires. The revenue concentration of the company from its top 3 customers is almost 69%, which is not a good sign. The performance of the company in fiscal year 2021 was disrupted due to COVID-19. However, the company is now showing good signs of recovery. The profits of the company almost doubled in last 4 years. The company is giving good dividends every year. The last dividend of rupees 30 per share was paid in July 2023. There has been no change in the promoters' holding of the company in the last 4 quarters. There are some foreign investments in the company, and small portion of domestic investments. Some clients of the company are TVS, Harley-Davidson, Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha, Ola, Okinawa, Tata, Bounce, and many more. The company has good clientele in OEM sector from both domestic and international market. Coming to some key highlights. In 2023, company partnered with Gogoro India to manufacture hub motor, engine control unit, and motor control unit, to diversify their offerings. They have over 50 customers in OEM sector from domestic and international market. Company has 2 wholly owned subsidiaries in Italy and Japan, and 2 joint ventures in Hong Kong and Italy. The revenue concentration of the company is 3% from exports, and 97% from domestic. Company is now focused on electric vehicle sector, and is already working with major electric vehicle OEMs in India. Company holds various certifications for quality, environment, and safety standards. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.